Yes, start. Mr. Speaker, if agricultural production has to be maximized, the greatest attention has to be given to four factors. Full stop. First, seeds should be of right quality and improved with high yielding varieties. Full stop. Then, fertilizers, pesticides, and water. Full stop. As regards these four factors, it is interesting to see that government or the minister does not appear to have paid any attention to certain malpractices that have crept into these matters. Full stop. Take for instance seeds. Full stop. There is no mention at all of the fact that a large percentage of these so-called improved or high-yielding varieties of seeds is adulterated. Full stop. What steps has the government taken in this regard? Full stop. Is it not of vital importance that seeds should be pure and unadulterated? Question mark. Their effect on production is very great. Full stop. Therefore, from this point alone, all possible steps should be taken to prevent adulteration. Full stop. The farmer suffers because he spends money on costly seeds in order that he may get the best possible yield, but finds that the seeds are altered. Full stop. Why has not government taken up this matter in its own hands? Question mark. Every state government interferes in this matter. Full stop. In fact, multiplication of seeds is done under the orders of the agriculture department in one state after another state, and yet when it comes it there quality control adequate machinery does not exist. Full stop. Next stanza. Then we come to the question of fertilizers. Full stop. Again, these are of vital importance. Full stop. What has happened? Question mark. At one single stroke, government has doubled the prices of fertilizers and expects farmers to produce them in the required quantities, knowing fully well also that government fixes the prices of what they produce at a level which makes it impossible for the farmers to pay these high prices for fertilizers. Full stop. The previous speaker referred to the Agricultural Prices Commission. Full stop. The commission has fixed the price, say, of wheat at a certain level without taking into account the cost of production of the farmer. Full stop. Yesterday, a member of the advisory committee to the Agricultural Prices Commission stated that he has sent in his resignation. For what use was it for him to remain on the committee if no importance was ever attached to the advice tendered on such a basic matter as cost of production? Question mark. If cost of production is not taken into account, I would like to state here that it is difficult to see on what basis the Agricultural Prices Commission fixed the prices. Full stop. Over.